A woman of power. I think a woman is so powerful every time she helps other women. That's my personal answer. Kasi, di ba, meron tayo, the society, parang especially kaming mga babae, I don't know, sad lang na parang kayo yung naglalagay ng ano sa amin. Parang you're pitting us against each other. Parang you're giving us that ano na, okay, competition to, I have to be better than this, I have to be better than her. Parang, it's sad because if kami, mga babae, magsama-sama, parang we become more powerful. And iba yung feeling kapag siguro kaming mga babae, especially now, it's Women's Month. Sa lahat pala na nandito, Happy Women's Month. If we just work together, kaming mga babae, we become so powerful. So instead of putting each other down, sana tayo mga babae, magkaroon tayo ng safe space sa atin. Whether it's your family, your sister, a friend, or a mentor. Iba yung feeling kapag meron kang nakakausap na babae na pinapa-feel sa'yo na you're okay, you're doing a great job, you're safe here, we got your back. So sana, yun yung ma-spread natin, na instead of pitting us against each other, maybe we can just help each other and let's just stop comparing women. Kasi hindi talaga yung nakakatulong. Sa feeling ko, hindi lang naman sa showbiz, pero sa inyo, sa work nyo, kahit saan tayo magpunta, meron kasing ganon. So sana mag-break yun, and unti-unti. Parang don't use that to entertain people kasi I think women deserve better.
Thank you so much, Miss